we are in one of our tunnels where I just had to show you this incredible Hibiscus Starry Starry night. Isn't the flower just the most insane thing? We've all been kind of in love with them here. They've been flowering for a couple of weeks now, and the flowers are just massive, like in comparison to my hand, just crazy. So commonly known as rose mallow, and just beautiful, beautiful perennial. Really nice because it's late flowering compared to a lot of perennials, and they do flower for quite a few weeks. You can see all the different flower buds to come, and much like these ones here, you know, to start with, they're incredible. The foliage is beautiful because it starts off this kind of like dark purple, and then you get this amazing green, and then there's just insane flower. They need full sun, no wind really, and yeah, just cut them back in the spring, give them a good mulch the first year you put them in, and they'll go down to about -8, -10. So really good plant. Just, yeah, really needs that full sun, sheltered position, and they'll bloom like crazy.